Understanding the phrase, loudmouth, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English expressions. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting phrase, loudmouth. This phrase is common in English-speaking countries, and understanding its meaning and usage can be really helpful in both speaking and comprehending English more naturally. So, let's get started. The term loudmouth is a noun commonly used in English to describe a person. But what does it actually mean? A loudmouth refers to someone who talks a lot, often loudly and in a boastful or opinionated way. It's important to note that this term is usually used in a negative or critical context. The person described as a loudmouth is often seen as annoying or inappropriate because they speak too much or too forcefully. The origin of loudmouth can give us more insight into its meaning. This phrase is a combination of the words loud and mouth. Loud refers to high volume or intensity in sound, and mouth here symbolizes the act of speaking. Together, they create an image of someone whose speech is excessively loud or prominent. This phrase became popular in English, particularly in the 20th century, and is still widely used today. Now, let's look at how to use loudmouth in everyday conversation. Remember, since it's often used negatively, be cautious about using it directly towards someone. Here are some examples. 1. I didn't enjoy the party because a loudmouth at the next table kept boasting about his wealth. 2. She's known as the loudmouth of the office, always interrupting meetings with her opinions. 3. He's a brilliant player, but his loudmouth attitude off the field is off-putting. In each of these examples, loudmouth describes someone who is overly talkative in a way that is viewed negatively by others. There are some variations and similar expressions to loudmouth that you might hear. For instance, bigmouth. This has a similar meaning but can emphasize revealing secrets or speaking without thinking. Motormouth. This focuses more on the aspect of talking incessantly, not necessarily loudly. Blabbermouth. This is often used for someone who cannot keep secrets. Understanding these variations helps you grasp the nuances of similar expressions in English. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the phrase loudmouth and how it's used in English. Remember, language is not just about words but also the culture and context they're used in. We look forward to exploring more interesting phrases and expressions with you. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.